Hey guys, Ricky Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And well, today I was kind of having trouble to decide what video to do. I actually have a whole bunch of ideas for upcoming videos. Big list of stuff to cover. But I think today I'm going to try out this Lishi here that I recently got from Chris. Buddy, once again, can't thank you enough. This thing is awesome. I'm so happy to have it as a part of my my kit, and I see this coming in handy for a bunch of things actually. But today I'm going to show one thing that I think it would be absolutely great for in the field for locksmiths, and that's these Schlage LFIC, or properly called FSIC, full-size interchangeable core. Yeah, I can see them being absolute great for these, because a lot of times people lose their control key. All you do is pick the lock, decode it, and cut that key on a control key, and you got your lock out of the housing there. Or I have another way to do that, which I'm going to show here, and I think it'd be absolutely great for either situation. Oh, I hate taking that thing out of there, but yeah, we'll give this thing a try. I should add too, a lot of people say that that these totally take the skill out of picking. They definitely make it easier, but there is a learning curve to these, and let's adjust that like that. Yeah, it's something that took me a little while to learn, and it didn't come right away either. There's definitely a learning curve to figuring out how to use these. Definitely gives you a head start. You're lined up on all the pins, all the positions, but there's still a feel to it, and you still have to do a little bit of practice. I think I'll pick this. It doesn't really matter. Maybe I'll pick it, let's pick it counterclockwise. So I like to find the definite binder, like the pin that's binding the most, because I find that picking these out of order is yeah, you definitely need to pick them in the right order. Oh, there we go. That easy. I actually didn't expect that. Only picked this thing once, and I think I picked it clockwise, and it took quite a bit longer. But we'll take it. And actually, I was hoping it took a little. I was kind of hoping it would take a little bit longer, so I could do a bit more talking. But we'll see this thing again in the future, so I'll be able to do more talking then. So yeah, say we're in the field, we get this thing picked. At this point, we can take the lock out of the housing. It's not like at best, where sometimes people lock them in the housing, so you really need a control key to take it out. These here, you don't need a control key to take the cylinder out of the door. So at this point, we'll turn it 180, and I have a hook that I made for this. It's nice and deep, and so what I do, I just line it up with this sleeve here, put my finger at the spot where it lines up with that sleeve, stick this in. This is pretty easy. Poke down and turn and pull out, and there's your core. Made it look easy, but that again, that takes a bit of practice to learn how to do too. Let me just adjust the camera here. Refocus and see what we got. I'll take down the spinning tray. Oh, we can lock it back up, I guess, since I do have the keys. Forgot to show the keys, but they're right here. Oh, I got everything still. I didn't lose anything. And take the key, the operating key. Pretty nice bitting too. And that's another thing I was wondering about these picks is if an extreme bidding can defeat it, and I don't think it can. Even the extremest of bidding for this this keyway anyway. Yeah, everything's going to be standard, but I mean, just for the sake of thoroughness, I'll get it. Not sure if you guys can hear someone outside my apartment there. I think they're doing some work in the hallway. But yeah, all standard. Might as well take the control pin out. It's a little bit smaller. And I think everything's going to be standard upstairs as well. I have not picked any spools with the Lishi yet. Kind of nervous about that because yeah, I really don't want to break the thing. I'm being extremely careful with it. That picking arm or picking lever, whatever they call it, is pretty damn thin. I think it's probably like 15 thousandths or something like that. I haven't measured it yet, but okay. So there's our ring, and there's the pin for the ring, and so this pin is in here. Oops. Oop. 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 I got it somewhere. Okay, I got it. So maybe I'll actually be able to teach someone something here. So yeah, when your control key's inserted, let me refocus. I don't know if that even did anything, but so yeah, when your control key is inserted, that lifts up just the slightest bit, and obviously connects this whole arm to the core, and allows this I'll put this back in, keep the springs, allows this little detent to be retracted. And one thing that not a lot of people know is this won't push in by itself. It has to, I'm not exactly 100% sure how it works, but there's a little detent in there that does, see, like this won't push in, but if you push in this detent in here, it then allows it to push in. It's hard to do with the pick, but you get the idea. Be done with this pin here if I could. Yeah, so once that pin's pushed in, this can go in all the way. So, like I said, you can't just push this in by itself, so you wouldn't be able to. And I think I've seen someone do this. I'm not sure how they did it, if they just drilled into this, but Yeah, it needs to, as if I didn't say it enough, it needs to be pushed in from the bottom, and then this can retract. So, yeah, great tool for this this system here, and it's really fun to use too. I'm pretty happy to be a part of the Lishi Club. One more time, Chris, I can't thank you enough, buddy. This is a great tool to add to the tool bag. Yeah, as always, guys, I appreciate you sticking with me. Appreciate all the support, and stay tuned. Lots of videos to come. Take care. See you on the next one.